Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today we bring you a video of the Skydroid G20 remote controller flight test. The purpose of this flight test is to evaluate the Skydroid G20's control sensitivity, smoothness and overall handling. The equipment used for this test includes Skydroid G20, CUAV X7 Plus, CUAV Neo 3 Pro, CA8 Mini 450 frame, and a 5300 mAh battery. Pre-flight preparation. Install the battery on the drone, but do not attach the propellers yet. First, unlock the motors and check if the motor directions are correct. After confirming everything is in order, install the propellers. Once the pre-flight preparation is complete, we are ready for takeoff. Control experience. Sensitivity. The Skydroid G20's joystick is highly responsive, accurately capturing control commands for precise and delicate flight control. Smoothness. The control process is smooth and seamless, with no noticeable delays or stuttering. The flight experience is fluid and effortless. Feel. The joystick damping is just right, making it comfortable to hold. Prolonged operation does not cause fatigue. Flight performance. Stability. The drone maintains a stable flight posture, capable of hovering and following flight paths with excellent wind resistance. Response speed. The remote controller commands are quickly executed, with the drone responding promptly to movements, making control intuitive and easy. The test is now complete. The Skydroid G20 remote controller performed excellently in this flight test, with its sensitive control, smooth response, and comfortable handling providing a solid foundation for a great flying experience. Thank you for watching. For more content, please stay tuned to the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.